Hi. Okay, so this is about the third different time you're seeing me in this video. So I filmed the whole thing, edited it, and then was like, oop, I don't have an intro. So hi, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a summer glow up under $100 because we ain't got no money, sis. I'm broke, so here's my tips and tricks to get fit, fabulous, funky for the summer. So the first step to a summer glow up is, getting yourself back on track, getting healthy, getting fit, and just feeling good about yourself. So today I'm just doing a at-home core / ab workout. I'm following the 15-minute total core / ab workout from MadFit on YouTube, and we're just gonna do that literally in my room because sometimes I don't want to go to the gym, or I don't have time to trek all the way to the gym, spend an hour and a half at the gym. So I'm doing it at home today. So my hair is half wet because I just showered from working out, but I'm going to get my nails done and then my lashes tinted and my brows waxed. So now it's time for my lash tint before. Okay guys, so I just got my brow wax and my lash tint. The lash tint is crazy. Like, my lashes look like I put mascara on them. Okay, so I can talk better now because I am at home and just like walking my dog in front of my building, so there's not so many people around. But so I got my brows done as well. They look so good. She did such a good job. Honestly, like, this is the best brow job I've ever had done, and it was by somebody who's not even like certified yet. It was by a trainee. So like, wow. So she did such a good job. And then my lash tint looks so good. I want to like curl my lashes just so I can like see the full effect, but she tinted them really, really well, and I'm so excited. This is such like a nice way to just look like you have makeup on and not spend a ton of money for summer. Like, lash extensions get really expensive. Like, I think the cheapest you can get them is like $90 for a classic set, but that's really expensive because you have to get them refilled every 2 to 3 weeks. The lash tint is literally $25. At least at the place that I went to, it was $25. Hi guys. Okay, so when I started filming this video, the clips you just saw, it was Friday. I forgot about the rest of this video, and now it's Monday. I just got back from my first day on my internship, and it was great, but I'm wearing makeup. So the next step of this like summer glow up is skin. So we're gonna take our makeup off and then do a face mask so our skin glows up with us. Okay. Wait, gone. So I'm out of like cotton pads, cotton rounds, cotton balls, whatever. So I have to use paper towel, or what's it called, toilet paper to do this, and it always sheds all over my face, which is great. What?
Hi, like, I'm filming a YouTube video right now, and hit that follow button and subscribers, motherfuckers! I'm back. I'm gone. Hello.
Can you go away? Oh, also, okay, sorry, I'm like jumping topics. Can I stay on one topic for longer than a minute? No. So I got a lash tint, as you saw. previously, and I still put mascara on just for the length because I didn't get a lift as well. I just got the tint. So I put mascara on today for the length because I have short little stubby eyelashes. Okay, so my makeup is off. Now I'm gonna put on a face mask so our skin glows up, you know, to clear the pores that we just put makeup on all day. So I'm using the Brazen Honey Mask from Lush. It's one of those like fresh face masks. So take two. I'm using the, oh, what the fuck? Take three. I'm using the Brazen Honey Mask. It's one of the fresh ones that you have to leave in the fridge because it has like turmeric in it and it has like honey in it. So it has like the fresh ingredients that you need to leave in the fridge. Hence it's a fucking fresh face mask. I'm stupid. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it on my problem areas, I guess. You could call them that. I look like Santa. I'm gonna let this marinate on my face. We're going to get into the final step of the summer glow up, which is teeth whitening. Teeth whitening, when you like go get it done, it can be really, really expensive, but there's a fun, cute, cheap way to do it at home. And that way is get activated charcoal toothpaste. So this one is Nielsen Naturals activated charcoal toothpaste that is peppermint flavored. And I'm just gonna like rub it in here. And then it looks like this. And then I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I kind of look like I'm a zombie in a zombie movie. Ew, it is gross. I don't know how long you have to do this for, but I've only been doing it for 2 minutes and it looks like this. So it doesn't taste like peppermint at all. Okay, so I took the face mask off and changed my shirt because I got black toothpaste on it and I was just having a lot of problems. So yeah, I also cleansed my face. So now we're just gonna do toner. I'm gonna use the lemon juice toner from Clean and Clear. Ew. It's really gross seeing how much shit is left in your pores, even after a face mask and cleanser. So now on my breakouts, to help my skin actually glow up, I'm gonna put tea tree oil. Now this is like 100% tea tree oil, but it's not like an expensive brand. I'm pretty sure this bottle was $10 and it's huge and it's lasted me forever. So you don't have to pay a ton of money. Like there are some bottles, like this bottle at some places from some brands would be like $40. Like no sis, we're too poor for that. So thank God for tea tree oil. So that's kind of it for my like summer glow up. I really enjoy how this is a summer glow up and I still look like shit. LOL. But that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked this video. I know it was a summer glow up and I don't look glowed up, but the glow up is a process, okay? I got my nails done, I got a lash tint, and I'm doing skincare regularly, so I won't have breakouts. So thank you for watching.